Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly, and so today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial with the hair bun that I got from Amazon. So as you guys can see, I've been wearing this a lot, so it's kind of like I don't know, it's just kind of weird. I really love this, so I'm going to do a hair tutorial with this. So the things that you're going to need is, of course, water, a brush, some gel, any gel you have. I'm using the Herbal Essence gel, and some few bobby pins, and of course a hair tie that I have going on, and any hair piece you have or a bun works either way. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing is I need to, and of course I'm looking at my mirror, so if I'm looking, that is my mirror over there. So as you guys can see, this is my hair, but I'm gonna okay, so the first thing is to grab this side here and just do like a little twist thing like that. And I like to add water on mine because I have so many baby hairs going on. So I like to tame my hair. So like that. Maybe you can do it the other way. Okay, just like that. Just like that. And now I like to add some gel. Also, add water and gel. Or if you don't have gel, you can use hairspray. Either way, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now I'm going to do is I'm going to be twisting this part. I'm just going to twist and grab hair. And where my ear is, I'm going to stop and I'm going to bobby pin. So it will look something like this. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so you're going to have something like this. You're going to have a twisted here and a twist right here, so you guys can see. And now the remaining hair, we're going to bring it to one side, any side you want, you feel comfortable in. I'm going to go ahead and brush so I can get everything on this side. So we're going to bring my hair like this. I like it this side. And now with the hair tie, you're just going to, actually you're going to make it into a bun. Like, you're going to twist it as a bun and you're going to tie it like this. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we're going to do something like this, and we're going to go ahead and grab our hair bun or piece, and we're going to tie it like that. And now this, you're just going to style it however you want to style it. Just make sure the hair covers the bun like that, and you have yourself a cute hairstyle. You can even wear this for a wedding, or you can just wear it just for shopping or whatever you want to wear it as like, and you have yourself a cute hairstyle. You can even wear it on the other side, or you can wear it here, or you can wear it over there, however you want to wear it. It is so cute. I love it. So let me give you a spin so you guys can see. So yeah, so this is how you do a hair tutorial with this. It is beautiful. I love this hair bun. It is absolutely beautiful. It gives your hair just it feels good because my hair does not do this, and I don't have a bun. I don't have a lot of hair to do these type of buns. So yeah, so it's kind of like beautiful. I love it. I love wearing it. It's so nice. I get just compliments and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel. So I have so many flyaways. And yeah, so that is how you do this type of hair. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love to make different hair tutorials with these type of buns. They're so cute. So if you guys like this hair tutorial, give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials, and push that notification bell as well. And hope you guys have a beautiful day today. Stay gorgeous and smile, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.